Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you have team meetings at work?
Do you know how to speak English during a meeting?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about a team meeting at work.
You'll learn how to greet your team, discuss a project, share ideas, ask questions, and talk about your next steps.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their workplace English.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment.
Now, let's begin. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thanks for joining the meeting.
You're welcome.
Let's get started.
Sounds good.
Today, we're going to talk about our new project.
Okay?
First, I'd like to talk about our progress.
Sure.
How is everything going so far?
I think we're making good progress.
That's good to hear.
We finished most of the first part.
Excellent.
We still have a few things to complete.
That's okay. We'll discuss them today. What should we work on next?
I think we should finish the report first.
I agree.
Then we can prepare the presentation.
That sounds like a good plan.
When do we need to finish everything?
We need to finish it by Friday.
That's only a few days away.
Yes, so we need to stay on schedule.
I understand.
Do you think we can finish on time?
Yes, I think we can.
Great. Let's make sure everyone knows what to do.
Good idea.
Do you have any ideas for the project?
Yes, I have one idea.
Please go ahead.
Maybe we can make the presentation shorter and simpler.
That's a good idea.
It will be easier for everyone to understand.
I agree with you.
Should we add some pictures?
Yes, I think pictures would make it more interesting.
Okay, I'll look for some suitable pictures.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Does anyone have any questions?
I have one question.
Sure. What's your question?
Who will prepare the final presentation?
We can work on it together.
That sounds good.
Great. Let's continue with the next part of the meeting. Let's talk about everyone's tasks.
Okay.
I'll prepare the main report.
I'll work on the presentation.
Great.
What about the pictures and charts?
Could you prepare those too?
Sure, I'll take care of them.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'll also check the final report before we send it.
That's a good idea.
If you have any problems, please let me know.
Of course.
We can help each other.
Absolutely.
Teamwork is important.
I completely agree.
Let's review our plan one more time.
Okay?
First, we'll finish the report.
Right.
Second, we'll prepare the presentation.
Got it.
Third, we'll check everything carefully.
And then we'll send it to the manager.
Exactly.
When should we meet again?
How about Thursday morning?
Thursday morning works for me.
Great.
I'll have my part ready by then.
Perfect.
Is there anything else we need to discuss?
No, I think we've covered everything.
That's good.
Thank you for your ideas and hard work.
You're welcome.
I think we're ready to finish the meeting.
Yes, we have a clear plan now.
Let's work together and finish the project on time.
Absolutely.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
See you at the next meeting.
See you then.
Let's review some useful expressions from today's lesson.
Let's get started.
Excellent.
I agree with you.
Very good.
That's a good idea.
Perfect.
I'll take care of it.
Great.
Please let me know.
Wonderful.
We can help each other.
Excellent.
I feel more confident speaking English in a team meeting now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for participating in a team meeting.
You learned how to discuss a project, share ideas, ask questions, divide tasks, and make a plan with your team.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat each sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.